You can also pass in your own custom theme colors by calling the setObjectCustomTheme function. You might have noted that when we called these functions, the styles were applied immediately on app startup. But these functions only apply the theme when you hover or click on the button. That's the main difference you should note when deciding which function to use. You can set the event that you want to trigger your button animation by calling the setObjectAnimate on function, then passing the hover or click events. Also, you can change your button animation easing curve by using animation.setUsingCurve. You can get the names of the easing curves provided by Qt on their website. Now, in case you want to apply a different style sheet to your button once the animation is complete, you can use the setObjectFallbackStyle, then pass in your style sheet as shown here. This style sheet is applied every time the button animation is complete. Let's say you want to pass in a particular style sheet to the button when the animation is playing, and even after the animation is done playing. You can achieve this by calling the setObjectDefaultStyle, then pass your style sheet. This style will be applied alongside your animation theme style and the fallback style if you created one. I simplified the way you can create and animate your button icons. You just need to call the iconify function, then pass the button object and the icon. The other options such as animation, size, and color are optional. You can choose to leave them out.